Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer photos or videos from Android to laptop or PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, connect your Android phone to your computer using a USB cable. If your phone asks for permission, tap Allow. On some Android devices, you'll also see a USB options notification. Open it and select File Transfer or Transfer Files. Next, open File Explorer on your Windows computer. In the left sidebar, you'll see your phone listed under this PC. Click on your phone to open it. Then open Internal Shared Storage or Phone Storage. If you're looking for photos and videos taken with your camera, open the DCIM folder, then open the folder where your picture is. Here, you'll see all of your photos and videos. Select the files you want to transfer, right-click them, and choose Copy. Now, navigate to the folder on your computer where you want to save the files. Right-click inside the folder and select Paste. Wait for the transfer to finish, and your files will be copied to your computer. You can also use the same method to transfer other files by opening folders such as downloads, pictures, movies, music, or documents on your phone. And that's it! So that's basically how you can transfer photos or videos from Android to laptop or PC. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.